Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can add your friend or other person on Discord mobile. It's really easy and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android because the process will be pretty much the same. So when you log into your Discord app, probably you are seeing this window. So what you need to do here, you need to press on three horizontal lines that is on the top left, and then as you can see on the bottom there is little emoji, basically stickman, and what you need to do here, you need to press on it, and here you can press blue button to add friend, or you can simply on the top right press a little person icon with a plus sign, and here you need to put a person username, and also you need to, if they ask you, do you need to put their tag, so tag number. So my tag number of other account is this one, and simply what you need to do here is to send friend request, right? And once your friend request is sent, you can close this, and you can check your pending request here on the friend tabs you should see. And if you want to deny the request, just press X button, right? So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.